There are three types of high-speed trains: the G, D, and C trains. The G train being the fastest of these three and runs express with design speeds of 350 kilometers per hour. And the C train connects neighboring cities while making frequent stops and runs at design speeds of 200 kilometers per hour. Taking the bullet train in China is no different than taking a flight in most countries. You go through security check as you would at an airport. Guys, one thing about train stations in China is that they will be jam-packed. Believe it or not, this is actually not too busy for this train station because during Chinese holidays, it is insanely crowded. For the train tickets, you can purchase them online at trip.com or through WeChat, and you will receive an instant electronic ticket. Until recently, you had to physically go to the train station booth to pick up your ticket, but now they have nicely synced it with your passport information. So when you get to your boarding gate, scanning your passport brings up the ticket information. Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am traveling to Guangzhou from Shenzhen North, and I will be taking the high-speed train. So one of my favorite things about traveling in China is how well all the cities are connected with the high-speed train. So just from Shenzhen to Guangzhou is a quick 30 minutes. So come along with me. This is the view as you walk into the business class carriage. As you can see, in this carriage, there's only 5 seats. So, if peace of mind could be a train carriage, it definitely would be this one. On each of the individual seats, there is a reading lamp on the right above the armrest and an electric charging port at the bottom of the seat. When you open the armrest, there's a folded tray table. Water and snacks are complimentary for business class ticket holders. Now, to see what's in the snack box, we have some Chinese raisins, dried beef, so this is the equivalent of biltong or beef jerky, nuts, and another peanut snack. Depending on the duration of your trip, you could either be served snacks or food. In this instance, we got snacks because the trip from Shenzhen to Guangzhou is only 30 minutes. This bullet train travels at speeds of about 300 kilometers per hour. It's not the fastest train in China, but still relatively fast according to world standards. What would normally be a 2-hour drive from Shenzhen to Guangzhou becomes a 30-minute train ride. Now, let's talk about legroom. Honey! This is legroom on steroids. Am I in a private jet or a public train? Woo! Child, this is life. It truly is the comfort for me. It's the comfort. The seats can completely recline into a bed. See, for Tsitsi Kama, not my photographer zooming in on my face when I'm not even wearing makeup. Now, let's look at the train toilets. Typically, the toilets in trains are squat toilets, but this train had a Western-style toilet and, drum roll, there's toilet paper! One thing about toilets in China, there's never toilet paper, ever. You're now probably thinking, this is insanely cool. These trains are fast, they're reliable, clean, efficient, and comfortable. Can it get any better than this? Well, there's one more pretty cool thing about taking bullet trains in China, and that is you can order food at your favorite local restaurant and have it delivered to the train. I personally haven't tried this, but here's a clip from South China Morning Post to show you how it works. And one last thing I wanted to show inside the train station is how the railways are nicely incorporated into the interior architecture. Each arch-like structural component means there's a bullet train running above it. As you can see, there's a lot of them, which means this is a pretty big station. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you on the next video.
Oh